Embattled sprinter Nestor Carter is currently in Switzerland ahead of his hearing at the Court of Arbitration for Sport, as he challenges the January decision of the International Olympic Committee to find him guilty of a doping offense. The sprinter, who is seeking to have CAS reverse the IOC's decision to strip him of his sprint relay and his sprint relay teammates of the Olympic gold medal from the 2008 Olympics, will be represented by two UK-based attorneys, Queen's Counsel Kate Caliphant and Kendra Potts. Potts had also represented Carter during the IOC's hearing in October last year. Carter was found guilty by the IOC's three-member disciplinary commission of doping for the stimulant methylhexamine after reanalysis of his sample from the 2008 Olympics. The IOC, which stores samples for 10 years and retests with the latest scientific methods, also revealed that another 66 athletes had positive results from the London Olympics. Several of those athletes have since been banned and stripped of medals following the IOC hearings.